Hello students, myself Sandeep, your economics teacher from Paramount Junior College. So as we know that because of coronavirus problem, we could not came out of our houses and could not learn anything during this period. So we have started an initiative of taking online classes as well as creating videos on different topics so that we can learn from our home as well. So today I shall start an introductory topic on microeconomics for class 11. So let's start our today's topic, Introduction to Microeconomics for class 11. So before we know about microeconomics, we shall learn about what is economics. And before economics, we should know about what is an economy. An economy is a place where we earn our living, we spend our money, and where production activities, consumption, etc. were done in a particular area. This is known as an economy. So before we start our introduction to microeconomics, we first learn what is economics. And before economics, we should learn about what is an economy. An economy consists where we earn our living, where we produce something, where we do our consumption, which provides our living. This is known as an economy. An economy is a territory within which economic activities are done. So, economics is nothing but studying of those activities is known as economics. Now, why we study economics? Why should we study economics? What is the purpose of studying economics? The problem of economics or the purpose of studying economics is that because of scarcity. Now, what is scarcity? Scarcity means when certain things demand is more than that of its supply. If there is less supply and more demand, then the problem of scarcity start to arise. For example, water scarcity, where demand for water is more compared to the supply of water. So because of this, in an economy, we study about economics is of the scarcity. Now, there are, after the scarcity, what is an economic problem? We should go to the next topic, is economic problem. The problem of economic problem is the problem of choice. There are three problems. That is, in economic problem, we should learn about three things. One is what to produce, how to produce, and third one is for whom to produce. That is, what commodity should an economy produce? Because we first learn about the scarcity, so what commodity should we produce? Now these three things comes in a chronological order because human beings have unlimited wants whereas we have limited resources. Now to fulfill our needs with this limited resources, we must learn about economics, that is how to maximize our satisfaction with limited resources and unlimited wants. Now, the economic problem, first one is what to produce. That is, in a country there are suppose two types of goods. One is civil commodities, another one is war commodities. Suppose now, civil commodities, that is for consumption purposes, we create different products, food, buildings, commodities, etc. Whereas war products are used for war purposes. Now, an economy requires both these things. For example, if you are living in a country where there is always tension between the bordering nations, so you have to create war commodities as well. Next, you have to produce other commodities as well to fulfill the needs of the people within your country. So, on the basis of this, we should produce which commodity and in what amount. This answer should be done is what to produce. Second one is how to produce. Now, in an economy, the second problem is that we have our resources, we have our labor, capital, etc. Now, how will we proceed to produce those commodities? That is, we can use two kinds of techniques. One is labor intensive, and second one is capital intensive. Now, labor intensive means where we will use more amount of labor compared to capital, and capital intensive technique means we will use more amount of capital, less amount of labor. So in a poor country or a developing country like India, we will generally follow the labor intensive technique, because our labor is abundance compared to capital, and labor is also cheap. Whereas in developed countries such as America or United Kingdom, in such countries they use the capital intensive technique because their labor is less abundant than that of capital. So here goes the problem of how to produce. Next one is for whom to produce. Now, whom to produce question is answered on the basis of this, that in every country there are different class of population. There are rich people, there are poor people, there are low income groups, there are high income groups. For whom we should produce more and for whom we should produce less. Because there are certain commodities whose prices are, which are known as luxurious commodity. There are commodities which are known as necessary commodities. So in a country where more poor people are living, more lower income people are living, they need more amount of necessary commodities as compared to that of luxurious commodities. So here, for whom to produce, we will answer on the basis of inequality and people, different section of people, that for whom we will produce more amount of commodities. So now we will see the reasons for economic problem. The reasons for economic problem arises because of three things again. The first one is scarcity, that we have earlier discussed as well. Scarcity. Second one is unlimited wants, unlimited human wants. And the third is alternative uses. Alternative uses. That is, first one is scarcity. What is scarcity? When the supply of commodity is less than that of demand for that commodity. Supply is less, that is shortage of supply, we call it scarcity. So because of which economic problem arises. And the second is unlimited human wants. That is, our wants are unlimited. For example, anyone, even যখন আমরা ছোটবেলায় কোনো জিনিস থাকতো না, যেমন সাইকেল আসে না, তখন আমরা ডিমান্ড কিতা থাকতো যে আমরা একটা সাইকেল লাগে। যখন আমরা সাইকেল পাইলেছি তারপরে আমরা কিতা লাগে, একটা বাইক লাগে। যখন আমি বাইকও কিনলেছি তখন আমার কিতা লাগে যে আমার এখন একটা গাড়ি লাগে। ঠিক আছে? তো সিমিলারলি ইভেন রিচ পিপুল হ্যাজ দ্য সেম টেন্ডেন্সি অফ আনলিমিটেড ওয়ান্টস। ফর এক্সাম্পল, আজকে আম্বানিরে যদি আমরা দেখি, আম্বানির কাছে অনেক টাকা আছে, অনেক বিজনেস আছে, কিন্তু তারপরেও আম্বানি যখন $1 মিলিয়ন মানুষ আছে তখন কীরকম বিলিয়নিয়ার হইতো। যখন বিলিয়নিয়ার হয়েছে তখন কীভাবে রিচেস্ট পার্সন হইতো। রিচেস্ট পার্সন হইলেও পরেও আরও কিছু খুঁজাইব যাতে আরও কিছু করা যায়। মানে তার ওয়ান্টস এগুলার কোনো শেষ নাই, আনলিমিটেড থাকে। So because of this again economic problem arises. And the third one is alternative uses. তখন কথা হইল গিয়া আমরা কাছে রিসোর্সেস যেটা আছে এটা অলরেডি লিমিটেড, আর এই লিমিটেড রিসোর্স দিয়ে আমরা ডিফারেন্ট ইউজ করতে পারি। ফর এক্সাম্পল, আজকে তোমার কাছে একটা প্লট অফ ল্যান্ড আছে, এই প্লট অফ ল্যান্ডের মধ্যে যদি আমরা কৃষিক্ষেত করি, ধান ক্ষেত করি, তখন আমি সবজি ক্ষেত করতে পারতাম না। যদি আমি সবজি ক্ষেত করি তখন ধান লাগাইতে পারতাম না। সো দ্যাট মিনস একটা পার্ট অফ ল্যান্ডের আমার ডিফারেন্ট ইউজেস আছে, যেটা আমরা কই অল্টারনেটিভ ইউজেস। যদি এই তিনটা জিনিস থাকতো না তখন আমরা ইকোনমিক্স পড়তেই লাগতো না। বিকজ অফ দিস থ্রি থিংস উই শুড স্টাডি ইকোনমিক্স, দ্যাট ইজ স্কারসিটি, আনলিমিটেড হিউম্যান ওয়ান্টস, আর লাস্ট ওয়ান ইজ অল্টারনেটিভ ইউজেস। এই তিনটা প্রবলেমে লাগে আমরা ইকোনমিক্স পড়তে লাগে, যে আমরা কাছে লিমিটেড রিসোর্সেস আছে, বাট আমরা ওয়ান্টস যেটা আছে এটা আনলিমিটেড। এগেইন আমরা যেটা রিসোর্সেস আছে এটার আবার ডিফারেন্ট ইউজেস আছে। আমরা খালি একটা ইউজেস যদি থাকতো কোনো প্রবলেম আসে না, যে আমার কাছে যেটা প্লট অফ ল্যান্ড আছে এটাতে আমি খালি এই কাজটা করতে পারবো, দেন দেয়ার ইজ নো নিড টু স্টাডি ইকোনমিক্স। এগেইন ইফ দেয়ার ইজ অ্যাবান্ডেন্স অফ এনি কমোডিটি, যেটার কোনো অভাব নাই, যত ইচ্ছা তত পাইতে পারবা, তখন আমরা ইকোনমিক্স স্টাডি করলাম না। কিন্তু আমরা কাছে কোনো জিনিসের আনলিমিটেড অ্যাভেলেবিলিটি নাই, সবটার কিতা আছে লিমিটেড অ্যাভেলেবিলিটি আছে। অ্যান্ড উইথ দ্যাট লিমিটেড অ্যাভেলেবিলিটি উই শুড স্যাটিসফাই আওয়ার unlimited wants. Obviously we could not satisfy our all the wants, but we should start focusing on the more important wants first, and then go on the second one, third one, like this ones. So here our first introductory class is going to end. That is, we have learned today two things. That is, first one is what is microeconomics, economics, then what is economy, then what is economics. Next we came to the economic problems, Then we came to the second one was central problems of an economy. That is what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. Our last যেটা আমরা পড়লাম এটা হলো গিয়া reasons for economic problem. যে economic problem কিতা লাগিয়ে রাইজ হয় এই তিনটা জিনিসের লাগিয়া, যেটা হলো scarcity, unlimited human wants, আর lastly হলো গিয়া alternative uses of resources. So in the next class we should start next topic. Thank you.